Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Continuing with the next steps and key points to complete the full lesson. Grilled corn on the cob is a classic barbecue side, but sometimes classic needs an upgrade. Imagine the deep, earthy richness of slow-cooked smoke blended with the sweet snap of fresh corn, then finished with a perfect char. That's the power of smoked grilled corn. Combining these two methods transforms a simple vegetable into a show-stopping dish that tastes complex without being complicated to make. Instead of burning the kernels quickly over high heat, we use the gentle method of smoking first. This allows the smoke flavor to penetrate every kernel, resulting in incredibly tender corn. We finish the process with a quick grill session for texture, adding that signature roasted flavor and those beautiful char marks everyone loves. If you want a standout recipe that requires minimal effort but delivers maximum flavor, this technique is your perfect starting point. Essential gear and prep: what you need for smoky corn success. A great smoked side dish starts with quality ingredients and the right setup. Whether you own a dedicated smoker or just a standard backyard grill, you can achieve amazing results by following a few simple steps. The goal here is establishing a stable, low temperature for cooking. Choosing the best corn and wood chips. Selecting the right corn is non-negotiable. Always choose fresh, ripe sweet corn. Look for cobs with bright green husks that feel firm and heavy in your hand. The silk at the top should be slightly sticky and brown, not dry or black. When preparing the corn for smoking, you have two options. You can leave the husks partially on, which steams the corn slightly, but we recommend complete shucking. This allows for direct exposure, giving you a significantly deeper smoke penetration and a more intense flavor in the finished product. The type of wood you choose greatly affects the final taste. For sweet corn, you don't want an overpowering smoke flavor. Stick to mild or medium fruit woods, they complement the corn's sweetness beautifully. Recommended wood types: apple wood, cherry wood, or pecan wood. Avoid mesquite or hickory, as they can easily make the corn taste bitter or overwhelm its delicate flavor. Setting up your smoker or grill for indirect heat. Achieving that signature smoky tenderness requires low and slow cooking, which means setting up your equipment for indirect heat. This keeps the corn from sitting directly over the heat source, preventing scorching while the smoke does its magic. If you have a dedicated smoker like a pellet grill or cabinet smoker, simply set your temperature control. If you are using a charcoal or gas grill, the method is easy to replicate. Charcoal grill. Push lit coals to one side of the grill grate or in a basket on opposite sides. Place a drip pan filled with water on the grate in the empty area. The corn will cook over this empty side. Gas grill. Turn only one or two burners on to maintain the temperature. The corn cooks on the cool side, away from the active flame. The target cooking temperature must remain stable between 225 degrees Fahrenheit and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This low range is what separates true smoked corn from standard grilling. Consistency is key here. Use a reliable thermometer to monitor the internal grill temperature throughout the cook. The smoking process: how to infuse deep, tender flavor. Once your grill or smoker is set up and producing thin, clean smoke, it's time to prepare the corn for its flavorful journey. The smoking process is simple, requiring little attention, making this a perfect side dish to prepare while your main protein cooks. The secret to moist corn: pre-smoking butter bath. Smoking, by nature, dries things out slightly, even vegetables. To combat this and ensure truly moist, delicious kernels, a light coating of fat is essential before the corn enters the smoke. This coating also helps seasoning adhere better. To prepare the corn, simply brush the shucked cobs with a light layer of either melted butter or a neutral cooking oil, such as avocado or canola oil. The purpose is not to soak the corn, but to create a thin barrier against dehydration. After applying the fat, keep the seasoning simple for this stage. Smoking introduces so much flavor that heavy seasoning can be overkill. Lightly season with coarse salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Avoid complicated rubs or sugars, as they can burn during the later grilling step. This wraps up part 2 and completes the entire guide. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.